Hi, this is my review of the hand-woven baskets. So this set comes with two of these really pretty hand-woven baskets. They're both the exact same size. They have this really pretty kind of braided material all throughout. They also have these kind of like neutral wooden little handles here and easy carry handles as well. So these are great for keeping your house organized, but they're also really pretty and decorative too. I personally am using them both in my bathroom right now. I love that you can just stick a couple rolls of toilet paper in there, spray, candle, whatever else it is that you want to have in your bathroom, and I just put it on the back of my toilet. So I love that it keeps it just nice and organized. These are great too in your kitchen, in your living room, bedrooms, closets, you name it. You can never have too many baskets. If you're like me, you're constantly reorganizing your house, and these are absolutely perfect. They also match really well with just about any decor. I think they're very neutral, so I really like that you can kind of blend them in just about any room of your house. They're also really good for things like makeup or hair stuff, things like that in your bathroom as well. But I still have a little one in diapers, so these have actually been really handy too for putting diapers and wipes in. They fit perfectly, as you can see. You can stand them upright as well and fit plenty in there. So great even like on a changing table if you wanted to do that. But this is kind of just like my downstairs stash. So I love having this. I love keeping it just nice and organized, and everything is always together, and I know exactly where to find them when I'm looking for them. So that's super important to me. But overall, they're a really good size. I think they're about 12.5 inches by like 7.5, I think. So a great size for fitting just plenty of stuff. Also good for like office supplies. You can easily throw pens and notepads and things in there as well. I think I'll probably get another set for that. I think they're really nice to have, on your desk or on like a cabinet or filing cabinet or something like that. Like I said, they really just keep everything super nice and organized. So definitely something that I would recommend. They are really nice and high quality. And like I said, they really just match just about any room in your house. So they are definitely a great set to have. Thanks for watching.